Hey guys, Dave here from Easy Country Cooking and Cooking Share. It's Saturday and I got some people coming over and I thought what to make. And then I thought, what about a taste of old Mexico? And then enchiladas, stuff like that. And then I thought about, what about some ground beef and rice skillet? Just a simple Mexican ground beef and rice skillet. Made it up and it came out absolutely incredible, quick and easy. The guests just love it. And I know you are, so let me show you how to make it.
Okay guys, we're going to get started by throwing some oil into a pan over medium-high heat. Then in with about an lb or pound of medium ground beef. And we'll just kind of break this up. And by the way, I still haven't got my breaker-upper thingy-me-dingy, but I'll have to get that sometime.
Now I'm using a medium ground beef here, guys, simply because it's about $1 cheaper. But I'm not going to have to drain this because it is medium. There's a lot of fat that comes off. But you can use a leaner extra lean, whatever you like.
So we are just going to fry this up until it's basically cooked through and looking brown. Yeah, this is looking pretty good, something like this. Next up, in with a small chopped onion and 3 cloves of garlic, and I've kind of moved the beef to one side so you can saute this a little better. So we're just going to stir and saute this until that wonderful aroma of garlic and onion fill the air. After that happens, you just kind of want to mix everything together. This is beginning to smell good even now, guys. Alrighty then, now it's time to add in our rice, so we're going in with a cup of washed and strained rice. This is just whole grain rice, but you can use whatever rice you like. So we'll just kind of stir this around and let it cook brown a bit for about 2 minutes. And of course I have moved the beef to one side so the rice cooks up a little better. Okie dokie, let's throw in a medium can of Italian seasoned tomatoes. Then another can of drained and washed black beans. And these are just 15-ounce cans, by the way. Then a can of peaches and cream sweet corn. About a 1/4 cup of hot banana peppers. Oh, these are going to be so good. Season things up with a tablespoon of cumin, a tablespoon of chili powder, a teaspoon of pepper, and a teaspoon of salt. So we'll just go ahead and toss this into the mix. Of course, grab up the old spoon and give everything a swirl and twirl around until it's nicely combined. And isn't this looking really Mexican-like, guys?
And I have to say, guys, man, oh man, this is really smelling good. And I'm using just some banana peppers here, a combination of banana peppers, but you can use whatever heat you like, just about any kind of hot pepper. But oh, this is smelling good and it's looking good, really Mexican-like.
Alrighty then, now it's time to go in with 2 cups of chicken stock. So just pour this over the top. Bring everything to a good burl. And go ahead and slip a lid on.
So what I'm going to do here, guys, is lower the heat. And this is, oh, it's smelling so good. If you can stand the smell, let this simmer away for about 20 minutes. I mean, stand the smell. I'm getting hungry.
After about 20 minutes, guys, that rice is cooked and things are looking mighty fine. Now, I just can't resist lifting some of this up and having a look at it, but doesn't this look ever so good? And the smell, oh my goodness, the smell. So for our last step, I'm going to spread some Tex-Mex cheese, and seeing I ran out of Tex-Mex, I'm also going to spread some cheddar over the top so it's really, really, really nice and cheesy. And of course, you can have the cheese that you want, and you can use as much as you want. Now we're going to slip the lid back on and let this cook away for another 5 minutes or so until that cheese beautifully melts down. After about 5 minutes, just look at this, guys. I mean, just look at it. Doesn't it look incredible? And the guests are going to go wild, I'll bet you. And of course, it's time for another scoop and another look at this incredible, incredible goodness. Oh, wow. So quick, easy, and so good. So, of course, let us go ahead and, as always, plate this up and make sure you get a whole heaping bunch on that plate, guys, because you're going to eat a lot, and so will everybody else. Of course, we just got to garnish this up with some cilantro. You can also use parsley, too, if you like. And there she be, guys, our Mexican ground beef rice skillet. I mean, it doesn't get much easier, and life does not get any better, believe me.
And just look at this, guys. Doesn't this look absolutely incredible? I mean, a meal fit for a Mexico king or queen or whatever. Okay, guys, let's dig in here and grab some of this up. Make sure we get a little bit of everything. Some cheese and some of those tomatoes and beans and oh, what a nice looking, yummy looking mixture. Wow. All right, let's give this a taste down the old hatch. There's a lot going on here. I can taste that seasoning. And it is really good, and the tomatoes are really good. The ground beef, of course, and the corn's got that bit of sweetness. The chilies give that heat. What a nice mixture. And think, it was so easy. No wonder everybody loved it. You got to make this. And if you do, of course, leave us a comment and subscribe. So thanks for watching, guys, and you got to make this. And see you next time.